Have you ever deleted something incredibly important by mistake? Just the other day, while I was cleaning up space for a video edit, I hit Shift plus Delete on a folder of files I hadn't backed up yet. And the worst part is, emptying the recycle bin doesn't just feel like cleaning your drive. It feels like your data is gone forever. But what if I told you that those files are usually still completely recoverable, even after permanent deletion, drive formatting, or unexpected system crashes? In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that helps you recover lost data quickly and easily right here on Windows 11 or Windows 10 without needing any complex technical skills. Data loss is way more common than people think. It usually happens from accidental deletion, hard drive formatting, sudden system crashes, malware attacks, or even corrupted USB storage devices. While most people assume the file vanished instantly, the truth is they actually remain hidden on the blocks of your drive until new data overwrites them. That is exactly where professional recovery software steps in. Today we're looking at TenorShare for DDIG, a dedicated tool designed to rescue lost files from multiple devices and scenarios. TenorShare for DDIG is a data recovery software for Windows and Mac that focuses entirely on simplicity and speed. It allows you to recover photos, videos, documents, audio files, and over 2,000 distinct file types. Whether you need to pull data from your local hard drives, external SSDs, USB flash drives, or even crashed and unbootable systems, it covers it all. You can explore the official tool page using the link down in the description below. Here is what makes it stand out from typical tools. First, it offers up to 2 gigabytes of completely free data recovery, which is perfect for covering important files without being forced to pay immediately. Second, it supports recovery from almost any disaster, emptied recycle bins, formatted drives, system crashes, or lost partitions. Third, and this is a major update, it now includes built-in file repair features. This means it doesn't just recover your items. It can actively fix damaged or unplayable photos and videos. Finally, supporting thousands of file types makes it highly reliable for personal files or professional media workflows. Now let's walk through how it actually works in real time, step by step. Step 1. Install and launch. First, grab the official software installer. I've included the official direct download links below. Once installed, launch the program. Step 2. Select location. When you launch TenorShare for DDIG, the first step is selecting exactly where your files were lost. You can target your desktop, recycle bin, a specific local disk, or an external drive. Select your location and click Scan. The software will immediately begin deeply parsing your storage blocks for recoverable data. Step 3. Scan process. During the scan, the tool categorizes your found files automatically. You can easily filter through the results by file type, like isolating just your photos or videos, as well as sorting by file size or date. This keeps you from scrolling endlessly. Step number 4. Preview files. One of the most useful features is being able to preview files before initiating recovery. If you are restoring an image or video, you can check if it's fully intact right inside the window. This saves an immense amount of time. Step number 5. Recover files. Once you locate your files, simply select them, click Recover, and choose a safe saving location. Remember the golden rule: never save them back to the original drive you are recovering from to avoid overwriting anything. Just like that, your files are restored. This tool is incredibly useful for everyday real-life situations. Think about accidentally wiping out irreplaceable travel photos, losing major work documents during an unexpected Windows crash, restoring files from an old formatted USB flash drive, or even resolving corrupted media files that won't open in your video editing software. It essentially acts as a complete safety net for your digital life. To keep things completely balanced and real, let's look at the pros and limitations. On the pros side, the user interface is incredibly simple. It supports thousands of file types, works across multiple external devices, gives you up to 2 gigabytes of free data recovery, and has a reliable preview tool. For the limitations, the free version has a capped data recovery limit. Deep scanning can take a while if you are processing massive multi-terabyte hard drives, and unlocking unlimited, full advanced features will require a paid upgrade. Overall, TenorShare for DDIG provides a highly practical, stress-free solution if you have lost critical data and need a fast recovery option without dealing with technical complexity. No tool can guarantee a 100% recovery rate in every single scenario, but it significantly boosts your chances compared to doing nothing. If you lose files, remember the most important rule: stop using that drive or computer immediately so you don't overwrite the data, and run your recovery scan as soon as possible. If you want to try it out right now, I have placed the official download links at the very top of the description below. Go ahead and grab your copy. If this guide helped rescue your files today, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more straightforward PC optimization and technical troubleshooting guides, and drop a comment letting me know what kind of files you're trying to recover. I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a good day.